Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm challenging you to transform your socks drawer from this to this. So here's what I want you to do. Lay the socks down and flatten them out and align both heels. You will now fold them over in half. And now turn them inside out. Make sure there are no wrinkles by pressing them flat down. That's all it is to it. It's really that easy. So you can now start organizing. If you would like to know how I made the storage box, go over to my channel and check out the tutorial.